Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for machine learning. Today we're going to continue the topic called systematic sampling. This is one of the important method. So before that, you have to know some of the information. That is what it means. Here we know it's one of the statistical method that researchers use to zero down the on desired population they want to research here. Moreover, it defined at the probability sampling method where the researcher chooses elements from a target population by selecting a random starting point and select sample members after a fixed time interval. So here, one more thing you can say. So before that, you have a bit what is sampling and probability sampling also. Whenever doubt, please kindly watch the playlist and continuation of the video classes. So here, before that, what is sampling? Now in probability sampling, what happened? Each member of the group is selected at regular interval to be part of the sample. Moreover, in this systematic sampling, what exactly happened means we can say it is an implementation of probability sampling. Okay, so systematic sampling is an implementation of probability sampling. Moreover, in this one, researchers use statistical method to choose the desired population on whom they want research. Moreover, here the sample interval can be calculated by division of the entire population by required sample size. Let's go for some of the example also. So here, suppose the size of the data is D. Let's assume that the size of the data is D and N, capital N. I'm using the laser pointer. Yes. And N, then ND and N will be the size of the sample that we want to select. So according to the system sampling, what we can say means interval is equal to D by N, and suppose D by N is equal to J. So when you choose first random element E from the data, the next element from sample would be E plus J automatically. Example, you can say total size of data is equal to 50. That is 150. 50 means what? You want element in sample to 5. Then interval is 50 by 50 by 5. 10, that is simple. So it means in a sample we want gapping of 10 elements systematically. I'll show one more example. We'll get more clarity here. In this type of sampling, the first individual is selected randomly and others are selected using fixed sampling interval. Remember, let's say example to understand here. Let's assume that the population size is X and we have to select n as sample size of n. Then the next individual that we will select would be X by nth interval similar to D by n away from the first interval. So we can select the rest in the same way. Let's cover examples. So it's a diagram representation. Let's assume that you have diagram with the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 circle up to 20. So you are applying systematic sampling. Let's assume you are getting some figure out. After figure out, you're getting the information like 3, 7, 11, 15, 9. How it come? Like this only. Suppose we begin with the person number 3. Let's assume that 20 members. So and we want to sample size of 5. Let's assume that is DN n value. So the next individual that we would select would be in an interval of D by N, that is 20 by 5 automatically. That is 4. From the third person, that is 7. How it comes down? Because 3 plus 4, 7. Then again series will continue like that. After figure out 3 plus 7, 11, sorry, 7 plus 4, 11, then 11 plus 4, 15. At last 15 plus 4, 19. So like that, we can apply the systematic model and solve and sort out any problem. Researchers today are still using this one for better results. So this is about the systematic sampling. If you have a doubt or any queries, please kindly comment it with the social media. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.